This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Almog. Beautiful updated large 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, split floor plan with huge master bedroom, walk-in closet, all ceramic tile floors, laundry room with full-size washer and dryer, large and newer open kitchen and dining area, screened-in patio with water views, additional storage area and a beautiful swimming pool. Water, sewer and garbage collection are included in maintenance. For more information, review the details below.